Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB M10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, choose Connected Devices. Now click on Connection Preferences. And finally, tap on Printing. Then you can click on Default Print Service right away and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service though, you need to disable this one. Tap on the back button and choose Add Service instead. Then get the best one for you. I will go with HP one. And when it's ready, go back. Then just tap on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!